Good morning, degenerates, and welcome to another episode of Boring Crypto IO, the place where I read you the boring crypto news every morning, Monday through Friday, just so you don't have to. My name is Not Important, and I'm your host, LFG. Staking passes withdrawals for the first time since Shapella upgrade. I slaughtered that, didn't I? Video of SEC chair praising Algorand resurfaces after recently deeming it a security. And Elon Musk to launch truth-seeking artificial intelligence platform TruthGPT to the market. Guys, well, let me update. Let me refresh this too. There we go. That looks way better. $1.283 trillion. Bitcoin down to 45.8%. ETH 19.7, and woo, gas is up. A whopping 42 Gwei will get you an ETH transaction. Bitcoin just took off, literally out of nowhere. While I was getting the video set up, guys, we're going to go and look at that real quick. But right now on the daily, 3.08%. ETH, 2.09. Anything else going? XRP, 2.17. Looking green across the board, right? Meow. Yeah, everything's moving. Chain links, 8%. 17.3 on the week. OKB 4.15, 25% for the week. Oof. ARB. Ugh. If you guys saw the triangle or flag pattern that I set up on ARB yesterday, it broke out and it's going ham. If you saw that and you got in, congratulations. Near protocol 5%, 14, 15 on the week. ICP going ham also, 34% on the week. Yeah, guys, it's looking bullish. Bitcoin, big bada boom, and this literally just happened. This is on the 4 hour. Last night we slowly ticked up to that 29808. And I don't mean a base drop. And we literally just went ham in this last 4 hour candle. And we are breaking above 30,460 again. Hopefully we can flip that back into support and continue up the mountain. That's all I'm really looking at, guys. Nothing's really changed from the levels and ideas that I was talking about yesterday. Like I said, if we got this bounce up to 29.3 and hopefully continue flipping both of these levels into support, will go back up. If not, we're going to go back down and potentially test these levels. But right now, we are moving to the upside. Money flow coming in. Everything looking good, guys. If you bought this dip, congratulations. You made some money. Take profits. Outside of that, guys, I say this every time. But look, this is not a trading channel. I'm a terrible trader. I'm just a random dude in a room in some house in the middle of nowhere, talking to people, or nobody, talking to myself on YouTube. Outside of that, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Trade. Wow, I just completely lost my thought process. Crypto is highly volatile and risky, guys. Do your own due diligence. Trade at your own risk. Yeah, let's move on to ETH and get on to the news. ETH broke out of this triangle pattern. Now here's a pivot, right? I started this triangle yesterday. Bottom line support, top. This could potentially be looking like this. All right, so don't get too bullish just yet, because these I thought could potentially just be bear trap or bull traps, excuse me. But if you pull away from them and treat them as part of the pattern, this is what we're forming right here. Some kind of wedge. So again, everything is ideas, guys. You're potentially drawing ideas. That could potentially be what we're looking at. We could range in here for quite some time before we ever break out or break down. Break up, break down, you know, those things. But that's all I'm looking at, guys. Nothing's really changed. Momentum still looks good. Things are still looking bullish on the short term, at least. And these are 4 hour charts. So yeah, potentially watch this pattern for a break to the upside or break to the downside. Again, if you're playing swings, play the insides, tops, bottoms, so on and so forth. Moving on to the news, ETH staking passive withdrawals for the first time since Shapella upgrade. Over 1 million ETH have been withdrawn since the Shapella hard fork on April 12th. However, a significant number of addresses have restaked their ETH. Surprise, surprise. The Ethereum blockchain under wallet a successful Shapella upgrade on April 12th, allowing validators to withdraw their staked ETH from the beacon chain after 3 years. After seeing over 1 million ETH in withdrawals in the first week, the amount of staked ETH has now surpassed the number of ETH being withdrawn for the first time since the Shapella upgrade. Now, here, this makes total sense, guys. A lot of people were hesitant on staking their ETH when they did this because they had no idea when they'd be able to pull their staked ETH off of the staking. Now that it's flow and go, everything's moving, everything's working, more people, it makes sense, more people are comfortable with staking their ETH at this point in time. So it's interesting. I didn't really buy into the big sell-off hype. I didn't think that was going to happen. It didn't make any sense. So now more people are going to be staking because they know that when they can unstake. Again, it's not rocket science. All right, data from the on-chain analytics firm Nansen suggests that more ETH is currently being staked than withdrawn. As of April 17th, the ETH staking volume of 124,000 ETH exceeded the withdrawal volume of 64,800 ETH for the first time. In the last 24 hours, the amount of staked ETH was 94,968 against 27,076 in withdrawals. The first round was primarily partial withdrawals from Lido and old validators. It takes approximately 3 days to get into withdrawal queue. The Shapella upgrade was projected to make or break the situation for Ethereum blockchain, as millions in unlocked ETH pose a risk of mass selling. However, the majority of the validators are restaking their unlocked ETH. The crypto exchange Binance will open withdrawals on April 19th, which is tomorrow. Out of the 1 million withdrawn ETH, 3 addresses restaked ETH with a total of 19,844 ETH. 3 addresses transferred ETH to centralized exchanges after withdrawal, with a total of 71,444 ETH sent to different exchanges. Other whales did the same, with some sending it to Huobi, staking addresses, and a few other to CEX, according to data shared by Look On Chain. Most of the early withdrawals are staking rewards, and a few validators like Kraken had to exit in order to comply with Securities and Exchange Commission ruling. Currently 22,231 validators have signed up for a full exit out of the total of 574,624, while 910,930 ETH out of the 18.6 million ETH is slated to be withdrawn. That is just a lot of numbered gibberish. Another prominent reason for the diminishing withdrawals could be the ETH price, as the average price of ETH staked is about 2,137. Either way, it's all looking bullish for Ethereum. Everything's looking good. This asshat, oh man, I think he's going to trial today. This should be very intriguing to watch him just get grilled. Video of the SEC chair praising Algorand resurfaces after recently deeming it a security. Members of the crypto community have called out the SEC chairman for shilling Algorand. A 4-year-old video of United States Securities and Exchange Commission Chair Gary Gensler giving praise to smart contract platform Algorand is circulating on Twitter following the SEC declaring that Algo is an unregistered security. In the video, Gensler referred to Algorand as a great technology while he was contemplating whether a high-performance smart contract network would be capable of integrating an Uber or Lyft-like application on its platform. Algo is one of 6 tokens that Gensler claimed was an unregistered security in the SEC lawsuit against crypto trading platform Bittrex on April 17th that took issue with the Algorand Foundation's initial coin offering, the ICO, of Algo in June of 2019. Cryptocurrency researcher Mason Versluis was one of the first to highlight the video in the April 17 tweets criticizing Gensler for shilling algo, with others calling out the SEC chair for his apparent hypocrisy. Yeah, the dude is a tool bag. Gensler's praise of Algorand was heard by an audience at a Massachusetts Institute of Technology FinTech Beyond Crisis conference held on April 25th of 2019. Gensler worked as a professor of global economic and management at MIT prior to becoming the SEC's chair. He acknowledged former MIT colleague and Algorand founder Silvio Micali in the speech, who appeared to be in the crowd. The video sparked these names. Cindy Hain, Ventures partner Adam Cochran, and questions the long-standing advice from Gensler for crypto firms to register with the regulator. There's a tweet. Surely, if there is a path to register, a world-renowned MIT professor who personally knows the chairman of the SEC can figure it out, Cochran tweeted on April 17th. Fox Business reporter Eleanor Terrett expects Gensler to be questioned over his Algorand comments in his upcoming testimony before the United States House Committee on Financial Services on April 18th. Today, I hope it's live. I haven't done any research on it to see if they're going to be showing it. Other critics choose to mock the situation at hand, highlighting the price decline of Algo, which has seen a 93.8% decline since its launch, according to CoinGecko data. It should be noted that Algo didn't hit the market until late of June 2019, 2 months after Gensler's speech. Gensler stated in an April 17th tweet that it has been an honor to work at the SEC over the last 2 years, and chose to highlight the 1,500 enforcement actions the regulator has undertaken since he's been at the helm. This dude is trying to be a celebrity, and it's freaking retarded. I'm sorry. Excuse my language. Gensler was sworn into office as SEC chair on April 17, 2021. How convenient. 2 years to the day. After U.S. President Joe Biden's nomination of Gensler was confirmed by the Senate on April 14th. What a waste of space that dude is. I hope he gets trashed. Anyways, moving on. Elon Musk to launch truth-seeking artificial intelligence platform TruthGPT. The tech billionaire made an announcement during a Fox interview on April 17th. According to an April 17th Fox News report, Elon Musk told Fox anchor Tucker Carlson, allergy season still, that he's developing a ChatGPT rival known as TruthGPT, a large language model that Musk says will be trained to explore the mysteries of the universe. I'm going to start something which I call TruthGPT, or a maximum truth-seeking AI that tries to understand the nature of the universe. The truth-seeking AI, as per Musk, will also push back against what he perceives as left-wing bias in the industry. Musk told Carlson that ChatGPT is programmed by left-wing experts, which train the chatbots to lie. Carlson, for his part, also stated that the deeper problem is not simply that it will become autonomous and turn us all into slaves, but that it will control our understanding of reality and do it in a really dishonest way, adding that it could be programmed to lie to us for political effect. Musk also appeared to address concerns over his entering the crowded LLM market, a move he signaled with the purchase of reported 10,000 GPUs just weeks after signing a petition calling for a pause to regulate research in order to evaluate safety concerns. I think this might be the best path to safety in the sense that an AI that cares about understanding the universe is unlikely to annihilate humans because we are an interesting part of the universe. Artificial intelligence has also demonstrated its capacity when it comes to blockchain applications. Since March 17th, Cointelegraph has been reporting on a series of token trades conducted by ChatGPT-4 when prompted on how to allocate $100 on certain coins or tokens. ChatGPT-4 recommended $50 to Bitcoin, $25 to ETH, $15 to Cosmos, interesting, and $10 to NFTs and other Web3 projects, according to the chatbot. The overall trend shows that Bitcoin acts as a safe haven during times of financial stability, such as the recent Silicon Valley Bank signature bank failures. Additionally, Bitcoin's dominance is nearing 50%, and some analysts predict a move towards 100K. There you go. And I forgot to bring this up when I did the intro for the video, guys. This will be our last story of the day. Some more XRP news. You want some hopium? Let's go. Let's see what this has to say. Investors flock to XRP, injecting $8.8 billion into its market cap in just 30 days. In recent weeks, XRP has surfaced as one of the top performing cryptocurrencies, with the ongoing legal battle between Ripple and the the SEC, playing a partial role in this surge. Notably, XRP has shown its impressive performance by breaking crucial resistance levels and garnering sustained interest from investors. The investor interest has resulted in XRP recording an inflow of about $8.85 billion in market capitalization within a month. By press time, the token market cap stood at $26.93 billion, representing a growth of about 50%, 49, from the $18.07 billion recorded on March 17th, according to CoinMarketCap data. Furthermore, the consistent pressure has propelled XRP to finally break the elusive 50-cent resistance position that had remained unbroken for most of 2023. It's just April, guys. Easy. XRP is currently trading at 52 cents, marking a notable 40% growth over the last 30 days. During this period, XRP reached its highest value of 57 cents on March 29th. Not a bad looking chart. Price analysis. As things stand, XRP is targeting the $1 position, but the asset has several barriers to break along the way. If XRP maintains its upswing, the 60-cent level remains key to break before eyeing a possible path to $1. Meanwhile, the XRP technical analysis on TradingView is predominantly bullish. Absolutely. A summary of the one-day gauges aligned with the buy sentiment at 14 moving averages are strongly buy. 13, blah, 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 blah. Fundamentals. Yeah, let's just read it. The XRP surge is possibly driven by the increasing optimism of the token community, which anticipates a favorable outcome in the ongoing legal tussle between Ripple and the SEC. The verdict of the case is anticipated to be revealed in the first half of 2023, and this speculation may be contributing to the recent boost in XRP's performance. Indeed, if the case is ruled in favor of Ripple, it is viewed as a possible bullish trigger for XRP. One area of focus has been unsealing the Hinman documents that offer a glimpse of the SEC's initial classification of securities. In one notable recent update, Ripple's legal team has responded to the SEC's letter of supplemental authority that supported the motion for summary judgment. Ripple's lawyer Michael K. Kellogg filed a letter stating that the SEC's case did not provide grounds for dismissing their fair notice defense in the ongoing lawsuit. Earlier, the SEC filed a new argument against Ripple and cited the Commonwealth Equity Services case to justify rejecting Ripple's fair notice defense and granting the SEC's motion for summary judgment. Ripple argued that the Commonwealth case lacked contemporary evidence to support its fair notice defense, whereas the ongoing case had substantial evidence, including records from the SEC and corresponding between the agency and the outside parties. Overall, the inflow of over $8 billion into XRP's market cap within a month is a promising development for the asset at the critical phase with the lingering lawsuit. Well, guys, again, I'm telling you, XRP is, whether you like the tokenomics, whether you like the company, yes, it's centralized, sort of. That's not why I'm in it. I'm in it strictly to make money. And if you like money, it's not a bad idea to get involved. Let's look at Bitcoin one last time before we get out of here. No, we just pulled back below the that 30,422 level. We really need to turn this bad boy into support because we got resistance, broke out, came back down, looked like it was gonna be support. Nope, resistance. See you later, bye. don't want to do this again. We want to keep going. Keep your guys' eye on this level as well as that 30,000 level for potential support. Yeah, and that's it. That's all I got for you guys today. Guys, if you do enjoy the content I provide here every morning for you on Boring Crypto.io, please by all means subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell for notifications, watch, like, and share the videos on all your social platforms, and I'll see you bright and early tomorrow morning. Did I say that fast enough? I don't know. I'm out of here.